Okay, folks, we're looking at one of our maths reasoning questions from a 9 to 10 book. The shape below is translated 2 squares to the right and 1 square down. So it starts off with the translation question. So if I highlight that for you. Okay, but it's a two-parter. So the second part says it is then reflected in the mirror line. Okay, the mirror line, I'm going to go over here. There's the mirror line. So let's have, there goes, what are the coordinates of the new point A? Circle the. So if you look at this particular question, it involves multidiscipline. One question is talking about translation, it's talking about reflection in a mirror line, it's talking about coordinates. And these are the skills we've practiced before in other exercises. So let's have a look how we're going to do this question. And I'm going to color code it as well. Right, let's get the right color, that one. Right. So part one, the shape below is translated 2 squares to the right and 1 square down. So we grab a corner and we go 2 squares to the right, which ends up touching the mirror line. Then it goes 1 square down. So we end up at the bottom over here. So I need to reconstruct that original 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 square. Here where I am at the moment, I'm gonna do that in the same color. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go up by 3. I'm gonna go across by 3 and down by 3. So that square has moved down to basically moved across and down. Now we need to put the A back on. So the A has moved to there basically. Okay, which is 2 to the right and 1 down. So we've finished part one. The next part is the yellow part. I should have chosen a better color. I'm just gonna have to do it in orange because orange stands out a bit better. It goes reflected in the mirror line. I'm gonna go over the mirror line in the orange. So we have to get the shape A, we have to flip it. Okay, I always say to my students, you have to flip it like you flip a burger. Okay, from one side and to the other side. So the A will be transported when we flip it. Okay, because A is 1, 2, 3 squares from the mirror. There'll be 1, 2, 3 squares from the mirror on the other side. Okay, so if I was to redraw the shape, I'm going to choose a slightly different color than orange. Okay, that's kind of bronzy color we'll have to do. So we're going to have our 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 square. So the indigo square has become now the bronzy square, and the A has gone from this place. So if you look at my thumb here and we flip it over, it goes to the other place. So let's look at the coordinates of A. So A, I got to go across by 9. I got to go up by 3. So it'll be 9, 3. So it's called along the corridor and up the stairs. And this is how we remember the coordinates. It's always the x coordinate first and then the y. And that question's done. So we've done all 3 parts in one question. We got the answer 9, 3. And this is the working out that you need to show when you're doing the question. Okay, I hope that helps.